Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about something really important when it comes to your flood insurance, and that is your contents versus your dwelling and how is it covered. Hi, I'm Ryan James with Liberty Adjusters. We've adjusted over 1,000 claims in the state of Florida and are based right here in the Tampa Bay area. And today I'm going to talk to you about something I've been getting a lot of questions after the big hurricane, and that is, what is my flood insurance covering? Now, first and foremost, you need to understand that flood insurance is a secondary insurance that you're going to be paying for, and it's different than your homeowner's policy. Your homeowner's policy is not going to cover groundwater entering into your house. I mean, ground level water coming into your house, such as storm surge, flash flood, river overflowing, that type of thing is not covered by your traditional homeowner's policy. You have to buy a separate policy through your flood insurance. And this particular policy is backed by NFIP traditionally, as a National Flood Insurance Protection, and they're part of FEMA. So the important thing to know about two types of coverage that comes with flood: you've got your dwelling and you've got your contents, and not all policies have both. So the very first thing I suggest you do is take a look. If you're wondering if my contents are covered, take a look at the declarations page. This is the first page of your policy. It's really pretty much the only change that's going to change throughout your policy is the declarations page. And it will list on there clearly if your contents are covered and your dwelling, and it will tell you your limits on there. Typically, limits on your dwelling is going to be about $250,000. You have about $5,000 deductible, and your contents also $5,000 deductible and probably about $50,000 worth of coverage. So it's important to know that you will pay for those separately. As far as contents, something I would like to suggest to you is that you keep in mind that they are going to give you depreciated value. So the older your contents are, the less they're going to be worth. I often tell people, think of pawn shop pricing. We're going to have another video on some suggestions on what to do about contents. But if you have more questions on that, please feel free to contact us at Liberty Adjusters. We're located here in the Tampa Bay area, and we've been adjusting claims in the state of Florida for many years and have adjusted over 1,000 claims. And I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. And if you want a reputable public adjuster, we'll be happy to help represent you with your settlement.